BMW M1000RR World Superbike, la moto del campione del mondo Toprak, che domani potrò guidare, testare, apprezzare nelle sue finezze, in questa preparazione estrema per... Sorry. Yeah. Ciao.
This is my bike. You are
yeah.
too slow for riding
Yeah.
this.
No, too slow. I can't ride it?
Okay, you try, but I think it's you slow.
Okay, so I'm so sad you said that, but that's
Why you
okay.
said?